and welcome to another All-Ohio Railfan video. Today's date is January 2nd, 2021, and we are stationed on the Norfolk Southern Railroad in Lincoln Village, which is a suburb of Hilliard, Ohio. Basically, it's in between Hilliard and Columbus. The primary reason we came out on this day is because NS 170 had the Conrail Heritage Unit in trail, as well as two AC44C6Ms fresh out of the shops, and an ex-Southern Railway high hood GP38-2. As I was waiting for 170 to reach my location, I see some headlights coming from the east, which is a westbound Norfolk Southern mixed freight train, possibly 179 or 171, but I'm not 100% sure. Unfortunately, this is all we will see of this train today. After about an hour and a half of waiting, 170 finally reached Lincoln Village doing track speed on the NS Dayton District heading eastbound, from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Conway, Pennsylvania, with all the good power on the train as advertised. The AC44C6M's trailing, the Big Blue Heritage Unit trailing 5th, and the ex-Southern Railway high hood GP38 trailing 8th. After 170 speeds his way into the distance and out of sight, we then made our way home, which is where we will end today's video. I wanted to try something different with the narration and the video construction, basically so I could try something different to improve my videos and make them better for you guys. Anyways, hit the like button down below, leave a comment and tell me what you think of it, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell button to be notified when I get a new video out. This is All Ohio Rail Fan, signing out.